wiki.easybib.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Easybib presents the 10 best Mediterranean diet cookbooks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Using affordable, easy-to-find ingredients, The Good Life teaches readers how to cook healthier dishes without sacrificing flavor. It provides make-ahead options for those with busy schedules and suggests viable substitutions for anyone who suffers from food allergies. It includes tips on shopping and storage and contains many gluten-free entrees. However, it is too basic for more advanced cooks. At number 9, eschewing the idea of detoxes and deprivation, the Mediterranean table embraces foods that are both healthy and full of flavor. Each of the 150 recipes is prefaced with an explanation of the dish's origins, along with suggestions on how to modify it to your liking. It's very easy to follow and contains a 14-day meal plan. But the photos are sparse and low quality. Coming in at number 8 on our list. If you don't have a lot of time in the evenings, consider Mediterranean Slow Cooker. Each dish allows you to do all the prep work in advance, so all you have to do is turn on the heat before leaving in the morning, and dinner will be waiting for you when you get home. It includes meals from 5 regions and is suitable for beginners. However, it doesn't have any photos. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for Mediterranean Diet Cookbooks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, focusing on unique flavors from an island with some of the longest living people in the world, Ikaria Lessons on Food emphasizes eating for enjoyment, not just sustenance. Accompanying the recipes are personal stories, traditions, and tips from the locals. It's accented by high-quality photos, and there's an abundance of detail about the region, but many of the ingredients are hard to find. Moving up our list to number 6. If you're looking to adopt a cleaner lifestyle, the Mediterranean Diet Weight Loss Solution can help you develop new habits and track your progress. With meals like Parmesan zucchini sticks and shrimp scampi, it proves that it's possible to balance pleasure and well-being. It's written by a registered dietitian and offers insights into portion control. However, the grocery lists are excessive. Halfway up our list at number 5. A modern take on traditional dishes. Michael Selakis' Live to Eat educates readers on how to make 7 staple pantry items and incorporate them in a variety of meals. It uses an effective organizational method in which each section is based on one of the 7 ingredients. This is authored by a Michelin-starred chef and explains chopping techniques, but some of the recipes are a bit bland. At number 4, written by an acclaimed chef and restaurant owner, Ottolenghi, the Cookbook takes you through the process of making elegant appetizers, breads, main courses, and desserts. With a combination of quick and elaborate dishes, it has something for every occasion. It features many vegetarian options, unique flavor combinations, and clear and straightforward directions. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you'd love to incorporate cooking into your life but can't find the time, you'll be delighted to know that an investment in Instant Pot and the appliance it's named after could change everything. Its suggestions are easy to prepare, quick to cook, and tasty. It doesn't rely on salt and sugar and is ideal for busy families. It includes creative takes on seafood dinners. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for Mediterranean Diet Cookbooks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you eat according to the lifestyle, Mediterranean paleo cooking will accommodate your dietary needs with 150 enticing meals, from appetizers to desserts. It provides suggestions on how to make modifications to fit other eating protocols too, like low carb and SCD. The required ingredients are all gluten-free, and it includes step-by-step photos and 6 menu plans for different occasions. And taking the top spot on our list, written by the editors at America's Test Kitchen, the complete Mediterranean cookbook is composed of 500 recipes, ranging from light appetizers to hearty entrees. It teaches you about key ingredients and includes helpful conversion charts for weights and volumes. It delves into food science and offers variations to experiment with. The index is detailed and thorough. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybibcom. Go there now and search for Mediterranean Diet Cookbooks, or simply click beneath this video.